The SKPO is a simple decrease that, when working at the beginning of the row, will make the edge of the project incline to the left. To make an SKPO, slip the first stitch. Pass it from the left-hand needle without working it to the right-hand needle. Knit the next stitch. With the help of the left-hand needle, pick the stitch that you passed without working and pass it over the stitch you just knitted. Keep working until you want to make another SKPO. This time, we only work it at the beginning of each odd row, but you can repeat as many times as you'd like to decrease. On the wrong side rows, purl all stitches. Turn the project around and make an SKPO as we did before. Slip the first stitch without working it. Knit the next stitch. And with the help of the left-hand needle, pass the first stitch over the one you just knitted and continue working the row. Repeat this every time you need to make a decrease.